So true. Anyway, it's time to get some
I hate
dubskis.
this.
What do you mean you hate this?
area.
Don't you love dubskis?
Look, we were about to reach another shelter and I threw by fucking not making the jump.
It's okay. We all throw.
What?
My...
Are you holding me?
One of you needs to hold grab until another one gets on.
Okay,
You're good.
Go. Go up.
And this is a good start.
Imagine exploring. Oh, that's promising.
Hey, let's go.
It's not
Vero?
ideal. Vero.
Come on, there's no way you are making this.
You stupid. You have committed arson. That's a good sign.
That was
Was that a Mr. Vulture?
Yes.
What? No.
Nah,
There's no vulture here.
there's no vulture. Where do you see a vulture? Come on, tell me.
For fuck's sake.
How are you
Get off
so...
of me. Get off of me.
You are such creatures of chaos.
Ten kai tie, žinai, skylės būna, kur
Oh,
mobai gali
good.
įeit.
We have... Am I dead? No.
I think not.
No.
You
No,
should
you're
go.
dead.
You should move.
Yeah, you're definitely
Oh.
dead.
I am not dead. What
Oh,
did I just
shit.
tell you? I just said I wasn't dead.
But I couldn't switch the cat.
What do
Oh,
you mean?
because I tried to switch the wrong cat.
You should.
You
God
switched the
damn.
wrong number.
I was a fool.
He was a fool.
Good start. Good start.
Hey,
That
lots
was
of
decent.
time. You love to see
Yeah.
it.
I'll just stay here.
Yeah. You're so smart. I love you. I'm so glad you are. Good job, Vilo. You're a
See ya.
smart. You're a smart loop.
I'm gonna.
She is. How? Capital letters. Impact font.
What happened?
Hey,
think
Vilo,
I
can you
forgot to
solo run
hold
and I'll
left.
just, wait?
Wait, I need to make this jump.
Yeah, good job.
Can I do the other one with like 5% accuracy? Also, yes.
You go, Lizzie. Yeah. Oh, now we have even more time.
Yeah, you
Oh.
see, it's all part of the plan.
I'm
Dude.
first.
Dude. Yeah, ladies first. What can I say?
What the?
Wait, oh yeah.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Wait,
dude?
do you- sphere, sphere, sphere,
Monkey.
Just repeating monkey. Oh,
The rock
where is he?
below us.
Oh, okay, I can
You
kind of see
see-
it. Is his head? Okay. Well, that's unfortunate.
Retreat. Ognia, your turn. Nice.
I thought I was gonna die.
Yeah, good shit. You see, teamwork. Vilus retreats, Ognia destroys.
Yes, beautiful.
Why do I keep being
Oh,
stupid?
Oh!
Hello.
He's gonna give you a ride. Come on.
Why so scared, Ognia? Jesus, calm down. Oh,
So,
he's
he was
coming
just a
in.
fucker. Oh my goodness, he really wanted to give you a lift.
He's your Uber driver.
I'm scared. I'm trying to be careful and not throw the game.
Throw the game.
It sounds like you want me to throw the game.
It's funny. I am
Yeah, but then
laughing,
we get no progress done.
but it's funny.
No?
My God, I can't stand up.
You still care about progress? That's crazy.
Uh-oh.
I mean, eventually I want to finish this game.
Really? You don't want to play forever? That's crazy.
I mean, I want to try other games.
What? That's so crazy.
Oh, that's wild.
That's wild, bro.
Come on.
He's still there, but you just have to keep throwing spears into him.
I'm sure I won't fuck this up.
You will be fine.
Sounds like a lot of pain.
Now, what are you talking about? We're playing on easy mode, basically.
Anyway. Oh wow.
I'm
Oh,
so glad that you do
oh,
that.
Look, she lived.
I'm so glad you do this every time.
He's not here. Oh, he coming. Oh lord, he coming. Ooh, nice body shot. What? How did that?
You can't
You
throw
know
through walls, Lama.
I think it was a downwards throw, right?
Pretty sure it was through a wall, but let's check.
Nah. Yeah, because you were like
No,
laying down.
look.
Oh, okay then. Please don't murder me.
Ah, there we go.
Oh,
Anyway. Oh wait, can't you jump down here?
What do you mean? Oh yeah, go ahead. No, go ahead. Go. No, go ahead. Throw the run. Careful about Baka.
Someone
And the
send help.
vulture. And the other two lizards.
Guys.
It appears you're in trouble. I would say so myself.
Oh, comrade. Seems like you're having a little problem.
I'll just
over
wait here.
And I am the one who lives.
Of course, because he took all the aggro from you.
I win, as they say.
Yeah, dude. Nice.
Fuck.
Good job on living, Velo.
Thank you. You didn't even
Man.
tweet me.
Man, that's sus.
Hello.
What are you doing, Velo? Calm down.
What? I'm not doing anything.
I don't know what you're doing, man. We should go help
I need
her
to.
out.
No, I definitely need to calm down. I've been at a.
Yeah, true.
Ow.
Hold on. Okay, good.
Please
Oh,
let
not
me-
good. Not.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay, back
Nice.
to good. Back to good. Status good.
Oh no!
I thought you just had to
Actually,
hold
just-
left.
I did hold left.
Damn, that's crazy shit, man.
Oh, we got a good cycle.
Pum,
against
pum,
this.
pum, 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 pum,
Why
pum,
do we
pum.
keep getting good cycles? It's like the game wants us to play the game.
Yeah.
Jeez,
Good job,
this
Billo, good job.
lizard,
Good
its
job, man.
spiteful spirit is trying to get me.
You're doing okay, good.
And I,
Velo, please.
No, it's not.
Velo,
It's not.
Please, I
can I
beg.
have the
Really,
cap?
please.
Yes. Velo, why are you such a tracer? Oh my god.
Imagine if you died there.
That
Oh,
was...
that would never happen.
No. I mean, this is Velos we're talking about. I mean, how could he? Come on.
He's just a
When
sissy
has he
baka.
ever died in the
Because they're
video
being
game?
stupid.
No, I never die.
True. Alright, let's go. Nice.
Oh!
Yeah, you can
Good,
throw it there.
good job!
Okay, I wonder if I can like not kill you. That would be epic.
Are there any Rainbow memes? What a question. There
I think that's a
certainly are.
valid
Oh, that's a good
question.
idea, Velo. Are you dead yet?
No, I'm good.
Nah, you're good, huh?
Oh,
You're just
You're
degenerate.
so good.
oh no.
Good job. Here's a rock for you.
Thank you.
Make it work.
Oh my god. I'm not giving. He threw away both of his rocks. One of them I gave.
I can't even.
There's
make
a stick
it.
up there. We could.
No,
I
he
can't
doesn't
do
deserve
that.
it. Let's just go.
Wait, guys, please.
Let's go.
Guys, I lost my other spear. Guys, please. Please,
Alright.
no.
Let's go. Finally, the weight is gone. We won't throw as much. What? Thanks, Velo. I appreciate it.
Anyway, oh,
Velo.
It didn't hold this You are the sussiest baka that
He's the
exists.
chaos elemental
I
of the
got
group.
this down. Have you ever seen me die here?
No, not yet.
He died
Yeah.
once.
Oh yeah, I think he
Shh,
did.
we don't talk about
That was practice. Oh, there's my friend. There's our
Oh,
friend.
anyway, I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, I think we're just going. We should
Please
just.
let me through. Please, where am I? How did I get
Mm-hmm.
here?
Hey, Ugne, get him.
I'll just stay here.
Nice.
Man,
He is.
That looks-
Please, me.
that looks
me, my
scary.
friend. Me. Attack me, my friend. Velo, can you handle that guy? Good
I think
shit.
so.
Good shit. Good teamwork. Let's go.
As long as I have a rock, I'll be fine, I suppose. Maybe.
Yeah, you just need to have an item here.
I have another rock. over
Okay, so
another
stay
rock.
there, stay there. So, just long jump and throw boost. Oh, what? What?
Pain.
That's I clicked space.
Okay, I like
clicked space bar, and while holding jump, wait. I need to test that. That's so fucked. I need to test that. That's so fucked up.
Just by.
No, what? Yeah, I was holding jump, and I clicked spacebar, and it jumped.
Oh.
It was a
that's
safer way. This is the unsafe way.
Hmm?
Yeah, but there was a centipede.
There were centipedes, so we went here.
Wow. It's really unkillable. Okay,
I think he's just fucked.
now.
You can
I'm
do
gonna
this.
lay down and I'm gonna press O. Yeah, I do jump.
Wow, I didn't know that. I was like,
Oh,
I
that's
wanted
cool.
to switch camera to myself to see.
I guess it counts like letting go of.
Yeah,
all
you
your
click
moves.
something else, I think, or some shit. Your butt first.
Yeah, I know, but it's fine. Ah, goodbye. I knew I was gonna
that
do
was
that.
way too close.
That-
I forgot about the
was
wind.
fun. Yeah,
'Cause
the
I'm a
wind is
dum-dum.
always there.
Yeah, it
Hey,
was a
someone
very
go
big
kill this
dum-dum.
guy. Hey there, buddy.
Ogna? Okay, he made
This
it.
bitch.
Let's go. Ogna? Ogna?
I think. Oh no.
Come here, come here. Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. It's all good. Don't even worry about it. Who was that guy? Oh, it's such a shame we can't reach that.
Just just run. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
So yeah, and then we go right. Stay on the right.
I don't think we have a choice.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think here we stay on the, or I don't, this is where I don't know. Left or right?
It
It doesn't matter. Oh, you're dead.
Yeah, he got me good. Oh look.
This is rather complicated.
That's a tough spot to be.
But we're right there.
Yeah. Oh,
Can I get? Wait.
yeah.
Velo, can we go? Can we go, Velo?
Yeah, of course we can go. No,
I don't know what you expected.
my finger.
You expected your finger or some shit?
Let's just say,
Let's go. Solo time. Solo time.
But the iron. But listen, there's so much iron. Oh, that's so
wow,
good.
are you really going there?
Okay, got
Sheesh,
it.
what a brave soul.
You wanna go
There
help?
is nothing. there.
Oh, there's literally right next to you. You could have just kept going. Oh, what? I forgot about the wheels.
Oh my god.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so easy to forget.
Come on.
You're fine. Don't throw, please. Thank you.
Yay, good job, Velo. I'm so happy you did that.
I really wanna hit that.
I want to know what's his controls.
Oh no, you don't, please. Ah man,
I'm so glad you did that. I'm so glad you did that as well.
It's so fucking humid. I thought maybe I should just, instead of sleeping, go for a fucking ride outside.
Yeah,
Was
because
fucking
that'll help.
impossible. It was too fucking hot. It's just, I'm laying and I'm almost left.
How many lizards are in here? Run, Ogne, just run. Just run.
God.
Keep going. Faster, Ogne, faster. They're catching up.
This is great.
Don't worry
shit.
about the centipede, just run.
Dash through him, yep.
Uh-oh. Grab the spear. Oh.
Oh?
Man,
Oh my
Why did
god.
I'm so not used to it. I'm
did I
so
fall off?
not used to it. I'm so...
Man, you guys are.
I'm just watching how
Going.
Vilus is spamming grab, throw, and running into the lizard, and then I just fall off.
Fucking lizard fucking killed me. No. Okay, whatever. I must hold the spears, I guess. I can't eat my trophy.
Okay, looking good.
I couldn't even leave.
No
She just
matter
pushed-
how you are you two are arranged, you somehow still fucking make sure to get stuck. Okay, good.
Who's controlling me?
I'm not.
No, I'm not. Fucking momentum.
What the hell was that?
Okay, Velo, you finish. Okay, good shit. Let's go. Yo, stop!
Please stop. Ugnia, please, I beg of you. I deserve to live. I promise. I can prove my worth.
Look, oh my. Ow! What is this? Velo, just hold grab. Oh my god.
Oh, there's another.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay. Oh,
I'm good.
That is very sketchy.
Wait for me, please don't change.
Oh no. Oh boy.
I think we go right here, right? Okay, good.
No.
We go
Right,
right.
yeah.
We go right.
Holy shit, guys.
Finally, that took.
Oh, there's some space.
There's some
some
space. We actually. Good job, Ugnia. I'm gonna stab here. Imagine it just says we don't complete the cycle.
Oh, that would be pain.
Hey, good run. I think we should go right. There's nothing here. That place is just the
Wanna-
other entrance.
Okay.
I wanna
well,
see what's there.
I mean,
Sure.
sure.
Oh, I'll wait here.
Nice. Stupid. What did you expect? You thought you could get me? I beg. I'm literally in.
Slug cats are like jelly.
True. If
Yeah.
there
No,
wasn't a ceiling, then you could do it.
Oh, that's a rope.
Please. Oh,
This is a bit
Oh.
stress-free.
I see him. I see. Oh.
nice dodge. Someone wants to eat him? Oh.
Sure.
Oh shit.
Please.
Oh.
Okay, I'll just stay here.
Thanks for the. No, I want a spear, my friend. You just.
always find
Everyone died! Okay,
No way, buddy.
Oh,
I
you
hit
hit. Okay, go left then.
But that's not enough.
Wait, why does it look like it goes down? Oh, hello there.
Oh, I lied. Come on. For fuck's sake, why does this always happen to me? I don't.
Yeah, we're gonna go westward.
What's westward? West?
Why did you throw Ugna?
Oh no.
This is dangerous. Holy shit.
See ya, bye bye Ugna.
She just randomly froze. Oh, yeah.
She lost the spear too.
Not for long.
Oh, we're going left? Oh, yeah, we're
Guys.
please. Please don't do this.
That would be fun.
I wouldn't
Bruh.
give you the satisfaction. I can only do
That's
it
a guy
once.
Velo. That's a Velo. That's a guy
But
Velo.
yeah, I tunnel visioned.
Yeah, I know you tunnel vision
Yo,
because it's a
yo,
grenade, so I don't blame you.
But that's okay.
Oh my lord. Okay, so double throw boost gets us there. Ah, okay.
A double throw boost.
Whatever. Yeah, double throw boost. Nice. You could have tried it.
We could have explored the upper part. You.
I'm
I
still
mean-
alive. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry, all part of the plan.
Damn, that was weird.
So we know it's possible.
Yeah, what weird ghosts.
Oh god,
Yeah,
why'd you
man.
do this, Ugnia?
Ooh, conjoin?
Yes. Ugnia grabbed onto me.
Come on, double boosted throw.
That's not helpful. Can you please hold grab, please, ma'am, please hold grab, ma'am, please hold grab.
I am.
No,
I feel in danger. Oh, no, I'm fine.
please hold grab, ma'am.
I am literally holding grab.
Throw. Oh,
Whoa,
okay.
Have you
Thank
tried
you.
hold and grab?
Yes. No, it does it's your bro! It's your bro. Wow, iPhone.
Oh, I'm out here.
Wow, iPhone.
Oh, this is not good.
Wow.
Wait, what? Hey, could I,
Something is happening, Velo. You need to come here.
yeah?
I wanna kill.
I wanna kill,
Oh.
please! Oh my
Wow.
god!
I think you missed. There's also a
Yeah,
guy
no
here.
shit.
There you go.
Damn. You don't
I
get
think you missed. I'm going to say it. I think you
here.
missed. No, she has a spear. You see,
Okay.
I think you missed,
What the
Ogna. I'm
fuck?
going to say it. I think you missed. Hello. Man, something is going on, Velo. You wanna hop in?
Yeah, I'm here. What up? Ah!
Ouch. Oh, chill,
Okay.
CJ,
What the
my
fuck? Why would you
man.
go there?
Ah!
It's fine. Okay.
What
It's
about
not
the
fine.
double throw boost? Fuck you. I just said that to myself, okay? I was just talking to myself.
Okay.
We need another one, right?
No, I threw it good now. I did not throw it like an actual Dumbo. Hello!
Goodbye.
Nice.
I'm
really
you don't look too
trying.
good.
Oh! I pinned his head, yes!
Nice.
Okay, there we go.
You guys should
Retreat.
fight.
Okay, retreat. We're good.
Oh, we got
mask.
the mask. Oh, let's go. You can't use it though because you need a double throw. Hey, what if I threw this rock?
Can he eat? Oh, he can eat us like this.
Yeah. Cube,
Oh.
I'm literally fighting him. I'm fighting
I
him.
thought there's no way he would jump right in the path of that spear.
What? You
I mean, there's just no way he would jump the same moment I
listen,
jump.
Velo, it happens every single time.
That's I mean, but there was no way.
I'm literally fighting
You
him.
wanna hummus?
You're a
I am
sociopath.
homicide.
Ah,
Oh
Hello.
no! Oh,
hello.
okay, hold on.
That's
Keep
taxi.
running.
That's her
I
taxi
guess
driver.
she owns taxi.
Mm,
Fuck,
good,
taxi
good.
driver, good.
There's a Mr.
Let's forget about him for no. You wanna deal
Aye.
with him first. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go. Goodbye.
You, what's
What's up, gamers? I'm your new host.
killer? We could get the unlock.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You fuck. You momentum.
There's still. I'll just go in here while you figure out your relationship with taxi driver.
You left us.
Oh.
Why did you leave us? I wanted to kill him.
Oh,
Hello.
you jumped right into.
I am fast, man. Speed.
What's the chance of her turning?
Can you call animal abuse to us? We're waiting for him. Alright, alright. Hold on, let me check the other screen. Okay, try again. I don't know, Ogna. It's just not coming.
I think it's because of my hiccups.
Oh, true. That's a good point. That's actually facts. Is this a pole I can climb on?
It sounded so serious.
It is a pole I can climb on. What?
I was alive.
We were alive! Welcome.
Hey there, buddy.
what's up?
What the hell?
What the fuck? Where the hell are we? Can we climb back up here? Doesn't look like it. What's down
Yeah.
here though?
Yeah, that's.
What the hell?
Oh, this is cool. Oh,
Hey, that's Squidby.
boy.
That's the animal abuse. Hey, jump
Okay.
down, no fear. Actually, no, you should jump down here.
Wait, oh, you think so?
Yeah, on the right. There's actually
But
a ship.
if there's a thing here, there's surely a meaning for it.
No, it could be on the right, like you see it connected.
Yeah, see, it's fine.
Hello.
Yo. Oh look, that's the guy.
I called Frankie, see?
Oh, yeah, epic.
This isn't fair.
Yeah, you should go, man. You should really go faster. Go crazy and stupid and go faster.
Oh wait, there's a spear here.
Hello.
Hey, you want the spear?
Yeah, I'd like it. Can you give it to me real quick?
Yeah, could you
Yeah.
move me out of the way real quick?
Yeah, I'll work on it. Oh, there we go. Thanks, man.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So here's the spear. You.
Oh, see ya.
What is that?
Oh no!
Guess what fucking
What's this?
No shots!
Oh my god,
No
he's here.
shots! Oh, the man, the myth, and the legend!
Holy shit, this
I can't
screen's
believe
big,
it!
though. Actually, maybe I shouldn't go where he is
Oh
nesting.
my god, I can't believe it.
Is this the strongest boy?
No,
No.
but this is... So you see, this is the strongest lizard in the game.
Yeah. It's what I meant.
And he's really bad.
Oh, yeah.
Let's just say that pretty much I don't... Oh, Mr. Scavengers are here.
Oh, nice. Perhaps we can explore.
I
I guess not.
Oh?
Okay, but there's a nest nearby.
Let's just say that I can barely kill him sometimes.
What do you mean? We killed them easy peasy. in a
Yeah,
very
no, we
specific
got lucky.
spot
We got
multiple
lucky,
times.
and we had 2 people.
Yeah,
It's
2 people with a lot of
it
spears.
requires a lot. It requires quite a bit of skill to kill this bastard, and it's
He's
usually
just,
not
you know,
worth it.
He's fast.
He's fast and he just demolishes you. Anyway,
Yeah.
so we got some map exploration, poggies. Nice. I guess it actually doesn't matter because if you fall, you can still grab onto him, onto that. Well, not there. Not like that.
That's the time. Pacifist run number 2.
This dude. Oh, there's a rock.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I do need the spear. You.
Damn.
Unfortunate.
Oh, he got me.
Oh.
Wait, no way. No way. There's no way. There's absolutely no way.
Hey, good pacifist run. Good
There's
pacifist
no
run.
way.
Hey, go, Velo. Go. Hey, don't worry about that Uber driver. Oh no. Oh yeah. That's great. Crawl turn.
Yeah. Oh,
Why is Mr. Uber driver higher than a taxi driver?
Oh, yo, what's up? Hey, he has a spear in him.
Spear! Spearman! Spear!
Bring spear.
Come back.
Look, I don't care about his body, but give me the spear.
God damn it, no, don't do it!
Ah, Velo.
Wait, what? Oh, it's this place. Damn.
Oh, that's
Wow.
his shelter, damn.
Not that it's useful anymore, but...
Velo. Velo, you're getting very close to it.
He was holding another one! Oh
Yeah, what
my.
do you think? He can kill fucking... You think he can be stopped?
Nah.
Exactly. Oh man, this goes. You know what? Fine, let's explore.
Yeah, you see there's like trains here.
Yes,
Holding
that's
up, yes. I agree with holding up the button.
Remember it's like the last time.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, what
that's
is
unknown.
going on in there?
Jesus.
Just a couple of gamers.
Oh, I should go and make something actually nutritious to eat.
Instead
Well,
of
why
what,
would you
bread?
get that idea?
You joke, but I just ate another slice of bread.
Yo,
Yeah.
what the fuck?
A
That's
bread
not-
pogchamp.
Just bread with nothing?
Yes.
How do you live?
Truly a life of absolute luxury. It seems like you
really
fall.
spooked me there.
It seems like you fell, Velo. What happened?
Oh no, this crazy lady came up to me and just fucking pushed me off a fucking
Who's this
cliff.
crazy lady? Is it like
crazy
some...
lady?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know either. Just appears randomly, starts hiccuping, and then leaves.
Ah, good thing I'm not hiccuping.
So I
So
guess she's
cannot
not
be
here.
confused.
Oh,
What?
where
Guys,
are you going?
guys.
Crazy lady, no! Stop following me, please.
The crazy lady's following.
Ah, a new challenger.
You see,
You see, you don't wanna do that.
Ugna, I'd rather you did not do that. Yeah, believe it or not. Hold
you
right.
saw-
Okay, good luck.
Oh, grenade.
Oh.
Get the grenade. You know you want to.
I got this. Nice.
I mean, it's better than
What
killing
is
Rock.
going on?
Is he dead yet? Oh yeah, he dead.
Okay,
You wasted
Ugna.
grenade. Where am
Look,
I?
it's better than killing Rakas, okay?
No.
No, straight up no.
Wait, what?
Hey Velo, blind playthrough, come on.
Ah. So that was
Another
you?
skip.
Yes.
What?
What's your...
What's the deal with airplane food? I mean, what's the deal?
That's just insanity. Oh lord.
Do you know the definition of insanity?
Raka ego, I've been possessed by an evil spirit.
Yeah. Give me the
But
spear.
actually,
Stop.
you can have it. Ooh, I survived.
I want the please.
Please.
How do I keep missing? I'm a stupid idiot. No.
No, the evil spirit.
Yes.
I mean, he could still be useful here.
Actually, yeah, true, but we'll make it up with some spares. Oh.
Oh.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, come here. Hey, my man, come here.
Oh,
Come
you
here.
come back.
Come here, please. Oh my lord. Oh, that was so lucky. I don't know if this is possible.
You can go back and get
That's
some spells.
promising.
Man.
Oh, he's coming.
Please.
He's coming.
Please.
Oh lord, he coming. Nice. Ah,
There you go? Okay, there we go.
there we go. Nice.
Oh.
There it. I can't believe this shit.
I can't believe it.
Oh,
I dropped your spear.
Okay, thanks. Alright, I'm going.
It's... yeah, okay. What's the plan, Vilo? Oh, okay. I like this plan, I'm a fan. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh my god, this is getting dark. That's one down.
Yep. That's fine.
Can you throw?
That's two down.
That's two down.
Yeah, fair enough.
Whoa.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Where is this go?
Where did that go?
We've been here!
Yeah, I kind of remember this.
Oh, so there was a secret path here. Oh, it's brighter here.
He was not ready for that.
He certainly was not. What the fuck? It just keeps going.
Sheesh.
Oh, we're at the side now. Okay. Okay, I want to see. I think I know where this will lead. This will lead to the spot where we constantly fall to. Oh. My god, this place is colossal.
Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Oh yeah, those guys are jumpy.
Oh.
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 Wait, no, this is...
This
wait.
is the same spot, yeah?
Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah. Wow. That's cool.
Hey, retreat. No. Don't go there. Yeah, go back.
Go.
Take me. That's just come.
So it was a blessing for me to get here, I see.
Apparently so.
Oh fuck. I tried assisting. I failed.
Speeding me. Stop. Oh my god.
Oh, spear.
This is spear traveling. That felt good. Look at that.
Yeah, like
no
that.
fear.
Why
no
can't I do
fear.
that?
Oh, it goes down. Oh, Robert, it goes down.
Well, let's check up.
Do we go up?
I think this
Yeah,
will
check
lead to somewhere you've been. Oh.
What?
Oh.
What the
goodbye.
fuck is this region? It's colossal.
Ah, why did you do it?
It's so big. Keep going down. Oh, yeah, go down. Wagner, where are you?
Mr. Obama.
Mrs. Obama.
Oh no.
Hold up.
Oh,
Wait, that's water.
I gotta check what's here.
Ogne, switch to your camera. There's nothing there, I think. Just go back up.
yeah,
On the right, there's a pole. Yeah, let's go.
Gotta keep climbing.
Hello.
Yeah? Okay.
I cannot see anything.
Well, you should turn up the brightness.
No, you shouldn't. Okay, go. Through the water. Okay.
You gotta go, you gotta go.
Hold jump
Go,
and hold
go,
up.
go.
Yeah, there you go. Thankfully, I think there's an arrow there. Holy shit,
Yeah, there
this
was.
place is colossal. Let's see here.
See? What
Yeah,
do
no,
you
I don't see. Don't worry, I do not see.
Ah.
Go, go, go! Do we have food?
we don't have
No! We could kill scavengers.
I mean,
How much time do we have?
tried so
How
hard
much time
to
do we have?
rebuild that
Oh, we have no
village.
time. We gotta kill scavs. We gotta kill scavs. Open the map. Open the map. Okay, give me a spear. Give me a spear. Let's go.
Can I just wait here?
Oh, okay. Sure, you can wait. Oh, I don't know where I
Okay.
am.
What? What?
Okay,
Okay.
let's
okay.
go. Me and Will is gonna go hunt for food. Oh, wait, this is the place. This is the spot.
Surely there's a wild animal here. This is the sea, right? There's,
No, there's
yeah,
nothing here, I don't think.
yeah, there won't be here. Yeah. Ah yes, fast climbing could come in handy from time.
Nice. Sorry. It's still
Okay.
not raining.
Yeah.
Can you get onto this pole and give me the camera? Okay. Yeah, actually, I would like a spare from you.
Yeah, take it. I mean, there's no way. There's no way.
Oh, that is...
Well, that is food.
Lizard!
Oh.
That's enough food. Okay, drop down with him. Okay,
Ooh, that was so close.
take the spear out.
Wait.
Oh shit,
I think it dropped down.
there you go.
Oh, okay. He's not dead though.
Can you eat him?
Yeah.
I got killed because I stole pick me up, pick me up.
I'm trying. Please, water, no.
Can you drag the lizard away? Ogne, go and... fuck, I think Ogne will die soon. Oh, it's still safe here.
Well,
Just
there's no
hold
way
right,
I'm taking-
Ogne, just hold right. Actually, no, I don't know.
Yeah, it's
Not gonna happen, huh?
Yeah, that was
Oh,
almost...
you're here, okay. Well, that was really close, we know where the shelter is.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, we could try and kill a centipede.
But it's gonna leave us with one short food.
Fuck, okay. I don't know where I am. There we go. I know where I am.
Don't know where I am. I guess I'll just chill.
There we go. I'll eat
Nice.
him.
Oh,
That should be easy.
Oh, okay, there we go. We can do this now. Okay, here.
Fuck, if only I was alive.
Uh-oh.
whoa.
I wasn't paying attention. Hold on, give me the camera real quick.
Yeah.
Camera falls down.
Please run! Okay.
No! Let me!
I don't...
I've been grabbed.
Wait. Yeah, I'm aware. Okay,
Oh.
Velus is safe. Oh, that guy is safe. Where? Oh, oh no, you're
Oh,
down.
he's down.
No!
Perhaps he would go through the exit. That would be kind of good.
Yeah, stab.
No, not yet.
We must be patient.
Okay, let's go
Ah.
back. Let's go back.
He's dead.
I
he's dead.
can't go back, please.
It's okay, calm down.
I am under the water.
Hello?
Can I even make the
Yes,
jump?
yes.
Oh yeah, I can.
You can stay here while I get him.
Yes, please.
Yes, stay in some tunnel.
I'll just keep close to you.
No! Attack him!
Oh.
Attack him, Ugna!
I'm attacking!
Oh, shit!
Oh.
So where do I go? Oh.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, just hold right.
Oh, there was
Nice.
spin. Oh, can I get the spear real quick?
Sure.
Sure.
Holy. Oh, fuck.
Wait, did we get the food? Oh yeah, we did.
We did, we
Nice.
did.
Wow, this is actually impossible to see even for me.
Yep.